on, people? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, we're talking about stock PayPal. PayPal is a stock that I've been watching for a long time now. We finally got the pullback we're looking for. Let's jump into this video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you guys so much for all the support and just love that you guys gave in the last two videos. You guys have been really killing it lately, and I've been really enjoying making these videos. So let's jump into PayPal, okay? PayPal is a stock that I've been watching for a long time now, and I wish I jumped in a while ago, okay? I was going to do a long-term hold on this, and I think I still may. But let's figure out what we're doing in this moment of time, okay? In this moment of time, we have a great opportunity for this stock. Is this going to be a short-term, a long-term, a day trade, a swing trade? We're going to figure out in this video, okay? Let's pull it up to a 5-day, 15-minute chart. Ooh, that was a little bit slow. Okay, 5-day, 15-minute chart. Boom. We hit highs of $185 last week. That's good. PayPal has been going up. It's just an upward trend. It's nice. It's nice to look at this chart. It's nice to look at PayPal in general. But here we go. This is where things started to dip down a little bit. Obviously, today we went up about 400 points in the market. We were doing good, okay? The Dow was doing great. And then halfway through the day, towards the latter part of the day, boom, it just dropped like a roller coaster, boys. And now aftermarket's coming up a little bit. But give it time, okay? Tomorrow or Wednesday, whenever you've seen this video, definitely keep an eye on it. If you see it's starting to come back to life, like a lot of these stocks may, they got beat down today, like tech stocks, like airlines, like everything else. If it starts to see some life again, okay, that's when we jump in. We don't like to buy stuff that are dying. Dying stocks are bad. We're buying good stocks that are recovering, okay? And PayPal is recovering. Now, why is it recovering? Well, it could be like any other stock of recovering, but it even has more hype and more potential of recovering because of the fact of Q2 earnings. Let's bring over some news over here. Let's get into the juicy part of this video. PayPal could outperform in Q2. Could. It is going to, okay? It's just insane if you read some of these news, the percent that it's been growing 28% over the past year in volume. It's just insane what this company is going towards, okay? Had a raised price target to $215 earlier in the day today. Now, is that going to change based on what happened in the Dow and what happened in the stock in general? In my opinion, probably not, but it's just going to have more of a jump, okay? It's going to have more upward potential now that it dropped down, okay? We're looking at more opportunities for this stock because of this pullback. Now, it may only look like a micro pullback on the 1-year chart, but if we really look at it, I mean, this is one of the bigger pullbacks that we've seen in this stock in a while, okay? We haven't seen a pullback like this yet to begin with. In one day, look at what this stock has done. It's dropped down 170 points. Yes, we hit those marks about 2 weeks ago, but still, look at how much upward potential we now have. We go up to $215. We are talking about some really big numbers here for shares, okay? So we are looking at the short-term spectrum of this stock. Yes, I love this stock long-term, but what are we looking at? We're looking at a swing trade here. Get in within the next 48 hours of this stock if you see life. I would even push it to 72 hours. If you see it within the next 3 days, life forming from this stock, which I'm going to be very shocked if it doesn't see life starting up and seeing some recovery, okay? That is the stuff that I'm looking for in this stock. Now, let's look at some more news. Boom. Cash is slowly dying. These companies are replacing it. PayPal. MarketWatch reported big upside potential, like the article we said. Says Bank of America, but says everybody has big upside potential for Q2. PayPal stock on a roll despite eBay agreement ending. Of course it is. PayPal, it's just the future, okay? It has so much upward potential and so much hype. Hype. We like the hype that we had previously had, and we like the hype that it's going towards now, okay? So, in conclusion, what do I like about this stock? Well, I like a lot of things. But more importantly, I like this pullback right here. If we can get in within the next 3 days, this is your mission. This is what you guys have to do. Get in within the next 72 hours. If you see life forming, if you see a recovery from this stock, get back into it, okay? Even if we look at the past 20 days, even if you see a pullback, look at every single time it got overhyped or whatever news came out and then dropped down, or even if just the market in general dropped down, it recovered. And it only took a few days, okay, maybe even a few hours to recover. It didn't take very long for this recovery to happen, but when it did happen, it pulled back and made higher highs, and that's what we like to see. Now, this stock right here has the hype already because it's PayPal. It has hype. It's the future. The future is the stock market. Stock market depends on the future, okay? And because of this pullback, because of where we're going in general with this stock, because of Q2 earnings, like said here, that PayPal could outperform, which is more than could. It definitely can. I can definitely see this being a nice swing trade, okay? So after you get into the stock, what are you going to do? You're going to play the hype train like the rest of us are, okay? Playing the hype train, waiting for people to just buy all in within the few days before earnings come out, and then watch very carefully. Your mission is to figure out whether or not you want to hold through earnings, because that's going to be the real key here. Do you want to play the pre-hype? Do you want to play the post-hype? Or do you want to play through the hype? That is the key fundamentals that you need to figure out when buying into this stock, okay? Do you want to play the pre, do you want to play the post, or do you want to play during? It's all what type of player you want to be, how physical you want to get into the stock, okay? PayPal is at a perfect price point. This is a perfect opportunity for you guys to get into this. Play the hype, play the earnings coming up, play all the hype around this stock. This is a perfect opportunity. You guys should definitely take forward of this. PayPal is the new future, okay? If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content. I'll be here more often. I'm really enjoying these stock videos, and I hope you guys are too. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.